Am I audible to everyone? Hasini, Hasini, there is problem from your side. I am audible to most of them. Now, we'll talk about the structure nucleus. So, I told you that there are two type of cells. I told you that there are two type of cells. एक सेल ऐसा होता है, एक सेल ऐसा होता है जिसमें जेनेटिक मटेरियल ऐसे ही पड़ा होता है. It is not surrounded by any membrane, but in some cell this genetic material is surrounded by some membrane. ठीक है, तो अब जो ये स्ट्रक्चर हुआ, this structure is known as nucleus, and such cells are known as you such cells are known as eukaryotic cells, and in which the genetic material is not surrounded by any membrane. These cells are known as Are you clear about what is prokaryotic and what is eukaryotic? In prokaryotic cell, the genetic material is not surrounded by any membrane, while in eukaryotic cell, the genetic material is surrounded by a membrane. Hasini, bacha, there is problem from your side. I am audible to everyone. Just check your device now. Is it clear? What is prokaryotic and what is eukaryotic to everyone? Prokaryotic cell are the cell in which genetic material is not surrounded by any membrane, and eukaryotic cells are the cell in which genetic material is surrounded by some membranes. Manthan, if you don't have any doubt, please lower down your hand. Advik, you also. If there is no doubt, please lower down your hand.
Microphone had a problem. Yes. So, ma'am, I was asking, ma'am, can prokaryotic cell reproduce?
Yes, they can.
Ma'am, then can virus reproduce because they are also prokaryotic cells, right?
No. Viruses are acellular. They are not prokaryotic cells. Bacteria are prokaryotic cell, dear.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. So now, in this session, we are going to talk about this structure. So we are going to talk about which type of cell? We are going to talk about eukaryotic cell. Okay. So this structure, the nucleus, it was discovered by a scientist known as Robert Brown. The nucleus was discovered by a scientist known as Robert Brown in the year 1831. The nucleus was first discovered by a scientist known as Robert Brown in the year 1831. Yes, just write it down, na bacha, please. The nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown in the year 1831. Now, as you can see, in prokaryotic cell there is no nucleus like structure. तो ये इसको मतलब there is no advanced nucleus. So there is ये जो structure है, this genetic material, it is known as nucleoid. It is known as nucleoid. So nucleoid is present in which cell? Nucleoid is present in prokaryotic cell. So can we say nucleoid is a genetic material in the prokaryotic cell, is a genetic material in the prokaryotic cell. In the prokaryotes, which is in the direct contact with the cytoplasm. क्या हम बोल सकते हैं ऐसा? Because there is no membrane. यहाँ पे कोई membrane नहीं है. So this structure is in direct contact with the cytoplasm. So can we say what is nucleoid? Nucleoid is a genetic material in the prokaryotes which is in the direct contact with the nucleus. ये दो different point हो गए. यहाँ से which is हटा के कर दो. It is in the direct contact with the cytoplasm. Sorry, मैंने nucleus बोला. It is in the direct contact with the cytoplasm. Is it clear? Is this statement clear to everyone? So what is nucleoid? Nucleoid is the genetic material in the prokaryotes and it is in the direct contact with the cytoplasm. Yes, Aryaman? Yes, Aryaman?
What does genetic material do?
Genetic material is like anything which controls our characteristic. For example, you have brown eyes.
Just like DNA.
DNA.
So okay, and what does cell membrane do? Protects the cell.
Yes, it protects the cell as well as it controls the constituent of the cell.
What do you
I
mean by constituent?
Like it allows only some things to pass through the cell. Fine.
Okay.
It means it maintains what all things be there inside the cell.
Yeah.
So this is the constant. What are the different things inside the cell?
Okay, great. Thank
Fine.
you.
You're welcome. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, is the cytosol present in cytoplasm?
Yes, bacha.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Aryaman, if your doubt is clear, please lower down your hand. Manthan, you as well, please lower down your hand. I'll do that. Wait. Okay. So nucleoid is clear, everyone? So nucleoid is present in prokaryotes or nucleoid is present in eukaryotes? Yes, Manthan, ask.
Ma'am, I have two doubts.
Ask.
Ma'am, who coined the name nucleus?
Who coined the name nucleus? Okay, it was discovered by Robert Brown. Who coined it? Let me think now. I think he said itself nucleus. Just give me a minute now. Let me recall it. Wait.
Ma'am, I asked my second doubt.
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, and who was the person who discovered nucleoid?
Who was the person who discovered nucleoid? This specific thing is not mentioned anywhere. Who discovered nucleoid?
Okay, ma'am. But then what was the who coined the name of
Yeah.
nucleus?
Wait. Yeah, wait. And nucleus is present in which type of cell? Eukaryotic or prokaryotic? Okay. Name the cell in which genetic material is surrounded by a membrane. Okay. Hasini, how it can be prokaryote, bacha? Manthan, how it can be prokaryotic? Name a cell in which genetic material is surrounded by a membrane. Okay. Name one cell in which the constituent of cytoplasm is separated from that of its genetic material. Or like name a cell in which the genetic material is not in direct contact with the cytoplasm. Name one prokaryotic or eukaryotic. The cell in which genetic material is not in direct contact with the cytoplasm. Okay, fine. Okay. So eukaryotic cell, yeah, correct. So now we'll talk about the nucleus in detail. Okay, you can see here. Yes, Abhiram, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Please lower down your hand. Yes, bacha, any doubt?
No, miss.
Please lower down your hand. Manthan, the term nucleus was coined by Robert Brown itself, but there was one more scientist naming Franz, Franz. He also described nucleus. Little bit. He also gave the description. But if question comes, who described the nucleus and who coined the term, the answer will be Robert Brown. Okay. Now, this is the structure of the nucleus. You can see here, there is this blue color membrane. Okay, this blue color membrane, this blue color membrane this is the outer membrane, while this purple color is the inner membrane. This blue color is the outer membrane, while this purple is the inner membrane. So can I say nucleus is a double membrane bound structure? So can I say nucleus is a double membrane bound structure? There are two membranes, the outer membrane, this blue color, and the inner membrane, this purple color. So can we say that nucleus is a double membrane bound structure? Okay. Now, In between the outer membrane and inner membrane, there is a space. This light blue color, there is a space. This space is known as perinuclear space. This space is known as okay. What is perinuclear space? The perinuclear space is the space between the outer membrane and the inner membrane of the nucleus. Is it clear? Now, this light blue color, the space between the outer, this light blue color is perinuclear space. Now, you can see at some points here, you can see at some point, the outer membrane and the inner membrane fuses. You can see here, you can see here, you can see here, you can see here, the outer membrane fuses and they form a pore-like structure, and they form a pore-like structure called as nuclear pore. At some points, the outer membrane and the inner membrane fuses and they form a pore-like structure called as nuclear pore. Let me complete it. If you have any doubt, you can ask after this. Okay, clear? The nuclear pore is clear. Nuclear pore is clear. At some points you can see ना, यहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा है कि दो मेम्ब्रेन है, नहीं लग रहा ना, इस पॉइंट पे लग रहा है दो मेम्ब्रेन है, नहीं लग रहा ना, यहाँ पे लग रहा है एक ही मेम्ब्रेन है, तो इस पॉइंट को हम बोलते हैं पोर. ठीक है, न्यूक्लियर पोर. This blue color structure, this blue color is the outer membrane, this purple color is the inner membrane, this blue color is the outer membrane, this purple color is the inner membrane. In between the outer and the inner membrane, there is a space known as perinuclear space. Okay, at some points it look like they fuse, there is only one membrane, that point is known as nuclear pore. Inside the membrane, there is a jelly-like substance. Inside the membrane, there is a jelly-like substance. That jelly-like substance is known as nucleoplasm. जैसे सेल के अंदर साइटोप्लाज्म था ना, वैसे न्यूक्लियस के अंदर क्या है? Inside the nucleus, there is a jelly-like substance called as nucleoplasm. Is it clear? I am repeating it again. There are two membranes. The outer one is called as outer membrane and the inner one is called as inner membrane. The outer membrane and the inner membrane. In between both the membrane, there is a space, as you can see here, the light blue color. This space is called as perinuclear space. कहीं कहीं पे ऐसा लग रहा है कि केवल एक ही membrane, there is only one membrane. ऐसा लग रहा है that both the membrane get fused. That point is known as nuclear pore. The inner membrane is called as inner membrane. The outer membrane is called as outer membrane. Okay. Okay. Franz was a scientist who described the nucleus, who also, along with the Robert Brown, described the nucleus. The light blue thin line is the outer membrane. The light, this line is the outer membrane. The thin purple line is the inner membrane, and this light blue color is the perinuclear space. Now, there is a jelly-like substance in between there is jelly-like substance inside the membrane. That jelly-like substance is called as nucleoplasm. There are two things inside the nucleoplasm. One is the thread-like structure. As you can see here, this thread-like structure are called as chromatin. The thread-like structure chromatin, and a dark colored round structure, a dark colored spherical structure with no membrane, the nucleolus. The jelly-like substance inside the nucleus is the nucleoplasm. It has two components. One is a thread-like structure called as chromatin, while the other is a round spherical, darkly stained spherical structure called as nucleolus. Is it clear? Nucleolus is inside the nucleus. Yeah. Okay. What do we mean by nuclear envelope? The nuclear envelope is made up of outer membrane and the inner membrane. ठीक है? पूरा जो nucleus को cover कर रहा है. There are two membranes which are covering the nucleus. Outer membrane, inner membrane, उनके बीच का space भी consider हो जाएगा. पूरा envelope. जैसे कि suppose I have to cover a paper. I'll keep it inside the envelope in the same way. There is an envelope which is covering the nucleus. It is made up of outer membrane, inner membrane, and साथ में ये space. Is it clear? You can raise your hands if you are not able to localize nucleolus, chromatin, nucleoplasm, nucleopore, and nuclear envelope. Raise your hands if you are not able to localize nucleolus, chromatin, nucleoplasm, nuclear pore, nuclear envelope, and perinuclear space in this diagram. Yes, Abhinav.
Ma'am, you told that two membranes fuse at a point. What is the meaning of fused?
एक साथ लग रहा है कि एक ही membrane है. You can see here. Does it look like there are two membranes? ऐसा लग रहा है there is only one membrane ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's known as. It looked like that it fused. There is only one membrane.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shreyansh.
Is what is
Yeah.
the feature of chromatin?
What is the
Feature of chromatin. What does it do?
But if we have not talked about the future of any of this, neither nucleus nor chromatin or anything. Just at this moment, are you able to localize where is nucleolus, where is chromatin, and everything?
Yes.
That is our motto.
Okay.
Yes, Akshat.
Miss, my doubt is what is nuclear envelope?
Nuclear envelope. It is a covering which surrounds the nucleus. It is made up of two membrane, outer membrane and inner membrane, along with the space, the perinuclear space.
Miss, and also can you tell me the definition of nuclear pore?
Wait, na? I'll give you the notes. Just wait for a minute. I'll make you understand what is nuclear pore. Nuclear pore is the point where both the membranes fuses.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Akshat.
Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me that there are two membranes? So you said that there is an inner membrane and an outer membrane. So is there any particular name for that?
No. They are just called as the outer membrane and the inner membrane.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, dear. Yes, Aryaman, any doubt?
Yeah. I have a couple of doubts. One of them is nuclear pore and perinuclear space the same?
No.
Which
Perinuclear space is a space between the outer membrane and the inner membrane. As you can see here, this part. Fine.
Yeah.
While the nuclear pore is this point where you can see it looks like there is only one membrane. There is not the another one.
So like the gaps between these two blue thingies.
Yeah, you can say that.
Okay, and I had another one.
Yeah. Ask.
Is the nucleoplasm and the nucleus like the same? It contains the nucleus and nucleolus and chromatin.
Repeat it again.
The nucleoplasm contains the chromatin and nucleolus, right?
Yeah.
So we can is it the same as nucleus?
No, bacha, nucleoplasm is the component of the nucleus. This whole structure is the nucleus.
Oh, okay,
This
okay.
whole is the nucleus. Okay.
Right. My bad. Sorry.
Any doubt?
No, nothing else. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Advik, any doubt? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you explain endoplasmic reticulum and nuclear envelope?
We have not talked about the endoplasmic reticulum yet. Though I'll make you understand what is nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope is a covering which surrounds the nucleus. It is made up of two membranes, as you can see here, the
Yes,
outer
ma'am.
membrane and the inner membrane, along with the
ma'am.
space between them.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Aryaman, if your doubt is clear, can you please lower down your hand? Yes, Manthan?
Ma'am, can you just repeat the statements you have given for nucleolus?
Okay, nucleolus is a dark
Yeah, ma'am.
spherical,
Yeah.
membraneless body
Yeah, ma'am.
which is involved
Yeah.
in the formation of RNA.
RNA means what?
RNA, I'll tell you, just write it down. Na?
Spelling?
Nucleolus, RNA.
A, no?
Yeah, A.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Mayank, any doubt? If I miss the chat,
Ma'am, what is the work?
just hold on. Na? Please ask your doubts in the by raising your hands. If I missed any message. Yes, ask.
Ma'am, what is the work of chromatin, nucleoplasm and ribosome?
You're not audible, dear.
Ma'am, I want to ask, what is the work of chromatin, nucleoplasm and ribosome?
We have not talked about their works. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Wait for some. Yes, Ditya? Yes, Ditya, any doubt? Anushka, any doubt?
Ma'am, what is perinuclear space?
Perinuclear space is a space between the outer membrane and the inner membrane.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Aditya?
Ma'am, my doubt is that was there another scientist with France who discovered the nucleus?
So the credit for the discovery and the naming for the nucleus goes to Robert Brown. Robert Brown. He discovered the nucleus in 1831.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes, Dishita.
Ma'am, is chromatin the genetic material?
We'll talk about that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Arush.
Miss,
Hmm.
I have a doubt that is perinuclear space and nuclear envelope same because they point at the same thing.
No, bacha. Perinuclear space is a space between the outer membrane and the inner membrane. Okay. While the nuclear envelope is an envelope which surrounds the nucleus. It is made up of outer membrane, inner membrane, and the space.
Oh, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Yes, Abhiram.
Ma'am, what is ribosome?
We have not talked about that. Though it is an organelle. It is an organelle. Yes, yes.
Miss, you told that nucleus is a spherical shaped object in the
Nucleolus.
Yes, Miss. Nucleolus is the spherical shaped object in the nucleus. So can we write it as a round shaped structure?
You can.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Any doubt, Manthan?
Yeah, ma'am. I had a doubt that why didn't T7 and M. Cavadrian, who found the first living cell, did not get to know about the nucleus?
But at that time, there were not such microscopes by which they can see inside the cell. They can see the
So when Robert Brown was born, he made a type of microscope by himself.
No. At that time, various discovery, various invention occurs. So he was able to localize it.
Yeah, ma'am. And one more doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, there was Rudolf Virchow who had found a pre-existing cell. First pre-existing cell means the first prokaryotic cell.
No, not. You cannot say pre-existing cell is the. It means कोई एक सेल है जो पहले मतलब नया सेल कैसे आ रहे हैं वो जो पुराने सेल हैं उनसे डिवाइड करके आ रहे हैं. You can't say that it is a prokaryotic cell or something like that.
Okay, thank you.
If your doubt is clear, please lower down your hands. Yes, Anushka. Yes, Anushka, any doubt?
Ma'am, is DNA and chromatin the same?
Wait, we'll talk about that.
Okay, ma'am.
Low. Yes, Purti.
Ma'am, I could not understand the endoplasmic reticulum.
बच्चा मैंने explain भी नहीं किया अभी. Wait, हाँ.
Okay.
Yes, Abhinav.
Ma'am, in the nucleoplasm, there are different color threads. So one is in the pink color, violet color, and white color.
All are chromatin.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ditya and Purti, if your doubts are clear, can you please lower down your hands? Abhinav, you as well. Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, I did not understand nuclear pore.
Nuclear pore. You can see here at this point, it looked like there is only one membrane. It seems to be that the another membrane get fused with this membrane.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This point is called as nuclear pore.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Anmol.
And can you repeat what is nucleoplasm?
Nucleoplasm is a jelly-like substance inside the nucleus. As cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance inside the cell.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, my doubt is that you just told that nuclear pore is just like two membranes just a bit apart, so that
Not
dark
bit apart. No, not bit apart, बच्चा. ऐसा लग रहा है जो ये वाला membrane है, this sky blue, it get fused with the purple one.
Yes, ma'am. So my doubt is that is the inner membrane semi-permeable or
They are
permeable
they
fully?
both are semi-permeable.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Doesn't
you.
depend upon the nucleus and the
Yes, Ditya.
Ma'am, my question is that can you please re-explain about neoplasm?
Nucleoplasm is the jelly-like substance inside the nucleus.
Ma'am, so what is its like? What does it do for the cell?
It contains chromatin, it contains nucleolus. So chromatin has the DNA and nucleolus. They are responsible for the formation of RNA.
Thank you, ma'am.
I think all the doubts are clear till now, and we'll move on. Please ask the relatable question. अगर इसमें से कोई doubt है तो वो पूछो. Mitosis, meiosis, will talk about them later on. So there are some organelles. There are few organelles which are remain associated, which are closely associated with the nucleus. One is endoplasmic reticulum, and the other one is ribosome. Okay, we'll talk about them later on. Now we'll see what is the role. If we talk about nuclear envelope, envelope का काम क्या होता है? Protection. So what is the role of the nuclear envelope? In the same way, the role of the nuclear envelope is protection, protect करना. Now, what is the role of nucleolus? Nucleolus is involved in the formation of RNA. तो RNA कैसे बनता है? DNA से. Nucleolus is involved in the formation of RNA. So the process of formation of DNA, the process of formation of RNA from DNA is known as DNA से RNA. The process of formation of RNA from DNA is known as transcription. So can we say nucleolus is involved in the transcription? The process of formation of RNA from DNA is known as transcription. So can we say that nucleolus is involved in the transcription? Yes, Aryan.
what's RNA?
I will talk about that. RNA is more or less same as DNA for us, for animal cell, for plant cell, and for various cell. DNA forms RNA, and then RNA forms protein. So protein is very important for us. While in various viruses, this RNA is their genetic material. Is it clear? I'm repeating it again. Okay. What is the role of nucleolus? Nucleolus is involved in the formation of RNA from DNA. Okay, it is involved in the formation of RNA from DNA, and the process is known as transcription. So can we say that nucleolus is involved in the transcription? Yes, Arush.
Yes. What is the full form of RNA?
It goes like ribonucleic acid.
Is what?
I'll write it for you. I'll write it for you.
No.
Yes, Supriti.
Ma'am, the function of nucleolus is to DNA to RNA to RNA to DNA.
DNA to RNA. Process of formation of RNA from DNA.
Okay, ma'am.
Arush, if your doubt is clear, can you please lower down your hand? RNA goes like yes, Manthan.
Ma'am, my doubt was that what was a nuclear envelope is the type of cell wall for the nucleus.
No, will not use this word. It is type of cell wall. जैसे covering है ना, हाँ, ये covering है, बस ऐसा समझ लो. हम ये नहीं बोल सकते it is type of cell wall.
It's like type of new cell membrane type of like which allows only some particles to
हाँ. But ये किसका envelope है? ये nucleus का envelope है. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes, Samriddhi.
I wanted to ask that endoplasmic reticulum, in the diagram, the dark blue thing is the outer membrane.
This bacha.
Yes, ma'am.
This is endoplasmic reticulum. It is in the continuity with the outer membrane of the nucleus. We'll talk about endoplasmic reticulum in detail, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Manthan, if your doubt is clear, can you please lower down your hand? Yes, Dishita.
Ma'am, what is the role of nuclear envelope?
Nuclear envelope, what is the role of envelope?
To protect.
In the same way.
You have to protect the nucleus?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Yes, Advik.
Ma'am, what is ribonucleic acid?
Ribonucleic acid is genetic material in some of the viruses. While in us, it helps in the formation of protein. It gets converted into protein. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Somil.
Miss, what is the function of nuclear pore and nuclear envelope?
A nuclear envelope. What is the role of envelope? Somil?
Yes, that's what I'm asking. What is the role of nuclear?
You just tell me what is the role of any envelope?
To protect.
In the same way.
Miss, a nuclear pore?
We'll talk about that. We have not started it yet. Wait, yeah.
Yes,
ma'am. What's your doubt?
The full form of DNA.
DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Oh, thank you, Miss.
Samriddhi, if your doubt is clear, can you please lower down your hand? Yes, Abhiram. Wait. Yes, Abhiram.
Ma'am, what is the role of nucleolus? Can you repeat?
Yeah, nucleolus is involved in the formation of RNA from DNA.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Any doubt, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am. My doubt is, does the nucleus also has some type of cell protection system like the whole cell?
But
this lysosome.
What is the role of these membranes, the outer membrane and the inner membrane?
Ma'am, but what if the whatever debris comes from the pores?
Lysosome do that work only.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Abhiram.
Sorry, ma'am. I don't have any doubt.
Please lower down your hands. Yes, Shamil.
Miss, I raised my hand by accident. I don't have any doubt.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, do we have to draw the diagram?
It is in your textbook. It is in your module. Your homework for the day is that you have to draw this diagram.
Ma'am, I drew it.
Great. Then you have to explain it.
Ma'am, I explained it.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Now, what is the role of this pore? What is the role of the nuclear pore? Let us see. ये हमारा एक सेल की कवरिंग हो गई, ठीक है? और ये उस सेल के अंदर का न्यूक्लियस हो गया. So, what is here? Here is cytoplasm, and what is here? Here is nucleoplasm. So these pore, the nuclear pore, it helps to exchange the material between the cytoplasm and nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. So nuclear pore का काम क्या है? It helps to exchange the material between the nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm. Is it clear? I'm repeating it again. As you can see, this is the cell. Here it is cytoplasm, and here it is nucleoplasm. So what is the role of these pore? Suppose there is one pore. It helps to exchange the material between the nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm. यहाँ से यहाँ कोई चीज होगी, उसको exchange करने में these pore will help. These pores will help in the exchange of material between the cytoplasm and the nucleoplasm. Is it clear? The role of nuclear pore. If you have any doubt in the role of the nuclear pore, you can raise your hands or just please lower down your hands. Yes, Arush?
Miss?
Yes.
Is nucleoplasm the empty space in the nucleus?
The jelly-like substance. जैसे सेल के अंदर साइटोप्लाज्म है, तो न्यूक्लियस के अंदर न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म है.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Yes, Abhinav.
Ma'am, what does that if we remove the nucleus, there will be empty space there?
If we remove the
nucleus, then there will be an empty space.
Then the cell will not work.
Okay.
Yes, Manthan. Any doubt?
Ma'am, can you again repeat what is the work of nuclear pore?
It helps to exchange the material between the cytoplasm and the nucleoplasm.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, ask.
Ma'am, what is the work of nuclear pore?
I told you the work of nuclear pore.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ariman.
Yeah. Just to confirm once more, I had a quick doubt.
Yeah.
The perinuclear space is between the blue and the purple, right? In the light.
Yeah, dear.
And the nuclear pole is the space between those two gaps. That gap.
Yeah. Yes, Akshat.
Ma'am, sorry, I don't have any doubt.
Okay.
My mistake.
Okay, no. If a doubt is clear, please lower down your hands. Yes, Dhruv.
Ma'am, how does the nucleus do the work of the cell, like give orders to the organelles of the cell?
Actually, it performs various, like it is involved in the formation of various proteins. It forms DNA, RNA, from which proteins form, and various proteins are involved in the various reactions which carry out in various cell organelles in this way.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes, Samriddhi.
Ma'am, what does the nuclear envelope protect?
Nucleus.
Thank you, ma'am.
Miss, can you repeat the role of nuclear pore?
Nuclear pore helps to exchange the material between the outer membrane and the between the cytoplasm and the nucleoplasm.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Any doubt, Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, after the you told that the nuclear pore replaces cytoplasm, then what
Sorry.
this? Ma'am, you told that the nuclear pore replaces the cytoplasm. Then
No, I didn't say that. I said that nuclear pore help to exchange the material between the cytoplasm and nucleoplasm.
Yes, ma'am. After replacing, what does it do?
So, suppose one thing is formed inside, suppose there is some RNA formed inside the nucleus and some proteins formed, it has to give to the cytoplasm, no? So various organelles can use it.
Okay, ma'am.
If your doubts are clear, please lower down your hands. It become very difficult, na?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Mayank.
Ma'am, can you say how endoplasmic reticulum are formed?
We have not talked about it. Wait, dear.
Okay.
Yes, Manthan.
Sir, I'm sorry, ma'am. Can you tell me the meaning of endoplasmic rectum and ribosome?
I have not talked about the endoplasmic reticulum yet. I just told that
Ma'am,
there
not
are...
the role, the definition.
Wait. We'll talk about each and every organelle in detail. Just understand there are two organelles which are in close association with the nucleus. They are endoplasmic reticulum and the ribosomes.
Ma'am, and I have one more doubt.
Ask.
Ma'am, what is the difference between ribosomes and nuclear pore?
Nuclear pore is a pore. It is just a...
I'm sorry, nuclear pore what? Nuclear envelope.
Nuclear envelope is a difference between ribosome and nuclear envelope.
Yeah.
Nuclear envelope is a covering which protects the nucleus. It is made up of outer membrane and inner membrane, and the ribosome are these red structures. Ribosome is a special organelle. It is a different organelle. Nuclear envelope तो nucleus की covering है बस, dear.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes, Riva.
Yes, ma'am. You last class you gave the homework by RBCs are biconcave.
Wait, I'll ask it. I will ask it in the. I will ask in the last.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, we can say that the plant of a seed is made up of cell.
Plant of a seed. Every living thing is made. Every living organism is made up of. Every living structure is made up of cell, dear. Akshat, any doubt?
Ma'am, what are the ribosomes doing over that endoplasmic reticulum?
We'll talk about that, dear. We'll talk about that. Wait. So I think done with all the doubts. Okay. We'll talk about this structure. We'll talk about this structure, the chromatin. ये chromatin क्या होता है? Yes. Now, where is chromatin present? Chromatin is in the nucleoplasm. Chromatin is there in the nucleoplasm. Yeah, please, if your doubt is cleared, please lower down your hands. Okay. Angad, do you have any doubt? Okay. Now, somebody have told you that your eyes look like your father, maybe your hair look like your mother. It means we take something from our parents. while we also have specific character. Suppose my eyes are brown, so it is specific character. Okay, my hairs are curly, it is a specific character. So what control all these characters? All these characters are under the control of gene. All these characters are under the control of gene. What is gene? Gene is a part of a DNA. ये पूरा एक DNA दिखा रहा है. What is gene? Gene is a part of DNA which forms a special protein, जो कि एक special protein बनाता है. ठीक है? And suppose my eyes look like my mother's eyes, so I have taken this color of this color, the eye color in the heredity. ठीक है, और उसको कंट्रोल कौन कर रहा है? उसको जीन कंट्रोल कर रहा है. सो कैन वी से दैट जीन is the unit of heredity. So if question comes unit of heredity, then you have to write gene. Gene is the unit of heredity. हेरिडिटी मतलब हमारे बड़े से, हमारे मतलब मम्मी से, पापा से ऐसे आया है. ठीक है. So what is gene? Gene is the unit of heredity, and where it is present, it is part. You can see here, you can see in this diagram, it is part of the DNA. किसका part है? It is part of the DNA. ठीक है. which make special proteins. Is it clear? जीन कहाँ पर है? जीन डीएनए का एक सेगमेंट है. अब हम समझते हैं व्हाट इज क्रोमैटिन. कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है क्रोमैटिन? द क्रोमैटिन इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म. ठीक है. सो लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ क्रोमैटिन. You can see here, ignore all these words, ignore everything. You just see this diagram. This is DNA. So this DNA is very long. ठीक है. तो DNA वो बहुत बड़ा है. So to accommodate it inside the cell, to accommodate it inside the nucleus, what happen? These DNA, they roll on. ठीक है. They roll on some proteins to give rise to a fiber-like structure called as chromatin. So these DNA, they coiled on special proteins called as histone. So DNA along with the histone proteins form fiber-like structure. These fibers are known as chromatin fiber. I am repeating it again. DNA is very long. So to accommodate it within the cell, what happen? These DNA roll on some special proteins. These proteins are called as histone proteins. ठीक है. So to make fiber like structure, जिनको क्या बोला गया? जिनको बोला गया chromatin fiber. So what can we say that chromatin is made up of? Can we say the chromatin fiber is made up of DNA plus histone proteins? Ignore all the other words which are written here. Just remember it. What is chromatin is made up of? Chromatin is made up of DNA plus histone. Accommodate मतलब वो उसके अंदर फिट हो जाए, न्यूक्लियस के अंदर आ जाए. So if you have any doubt regarding this, what is gene, what is DNA, you can raise your hands. Yes, Samriddhi.
Fiber is a protein or fiber?
Sorry, dear.
It's a protein or fiber.
Fiber means, bacha, fiber, hair fiber means it is a thread-like structure. That's why fiber. You're welcome. Yes, yes.
Miss, in the gene part, you told that gene is the unit of heredity, and you also wrote that gene is a part of DNA which makes special proteins. So these proteins are histones.
No. Different proteins.
Okay,
हर
miss.
gene अलग-अलग protein बनाएगा.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Samriddhi, if your doubt is clear, please lower down your hand. Yes, Mayank.
Ma'am, what is unit of heredity?
Gene.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Advik. Yes, Advik. Yes, Abhiram.
Ma'am, chromatin is present in.
Chromatin is present in nucleoplasm. अभी देखा ना हमने वो thread जैसा structure nucleoplasm में.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Abhinav. Yes, Abhinav.
Ma'am, ma'am, about the histones, there is something in the dark yellow color. What is that?
They are histones. Just remember here. Just remember here 3 words: DNA, histone, and chromatin.
Ma'am, one more doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, from where the DNA starts, at the end where it meets at the chromosome, the two are the same.
No, if I talk about chromosome, what are chromosome? When a cell has to divide, the chromatin get condensed. ठीक है? Condensed मतलब क्या हो गया? If I say that my each hair strand is a chromatin, and I have to divide these threads into 2 people. What I'll do that I'll make 2 braids and I'll give it. In the same way, to divide it, when a cell is dividing, the chromatin get condensed to form chromosome. So it become easy to divide it into 2 cells.
Ma'am, after becoming chromosome, what does it do?
It get divided into 2 cells. एक part एक cell में चला गया, दूसरा part दूसरे cell में चला गया, 2 cell बन गए.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes, Arush.
Miss,
Yes.
this slide you are showing,
Yeah.
starting from that X or this DNA part?
This is not X. This structure is chromosome.
Oh,
I
thank
told
you,
you.
miss.
Oh, okay. Yes, Somil. Yes, Somil. I'm not able to unmute you. Okay, fine.
Miss, what's a histone?
They are protein, dear.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, yes.
Miss, in this diagram, miss, at the last, miss, there are some zigzag lines, and in the diagram of Jane, the diagram look the same.
Where?
Miss, in this diagram, lines at the end that zigzag with blue color.
Are you talking about this?
Miss, and
Are you talking about this?
Yes, miss.
These are
Miss,
DNA, dear.
okay, miss. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Medha.
Can you explain chromatin again?
Yeah, sure. So what happened? As you can see here, DNA is very long. Fine. So to accommodate, so that it can fit inside the nucleus, what happened? These DNA, they coil on some protein. These proteins are called as histone proteins. Okay, when the DNA coiled on histone protein, it gives rise to a thread-like structure called as chromatin. You can see here, these are chromatins.
Yes.
Fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If your doubts are clear, yes, Shomil, Manthan, please lower down your hands. Abhinav, you too. If your doubt is clear. Yes, Aryaman.
Yeah, this question might be a little too sudden, but what's this entire diagram?
This entire diagram is trying to explain you how chromatin forms from DNA, what is chromatin and what is chromosome.
Okay. Like, what is the entire thing, bro? What does it signify?
It signifies how chromosomes are formed from DNA, how the DNA get condensed.
Okay, one part is DNA and the other is chromosome. Sort of.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, Dishita. Yes, Dishita.
No, ma'am, I don't have any doubt.
Please lower down your hand, bacha. Abhinav, if your doubt is clear, please lower down your hand. Yash, Manthan, you guys too. Yes, Manthan, ask your doubts.
Ma'am, I have two doubts.
Ask.
Ma'am, the first one I'm asking that the DNA comes from a mother father, is it already in a form of chromosome or it is
Sorry.
Ma'am, the DNA coming from our mother father is in the form of already in a form of chromosomes from when we are born, or it is in a form of DNA and then becomes into chromosomes?
Bacha, the genetic material, basically inside the cell, they are in the form of chromatin. But when a cell get divides, जब उसको divide होना होता है, तब वो chromosome बनता है.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. I mean, my meaning was chromatin. Sorry, ma'am.
Oh.
So, do we already have the chromatin from when we are born, or
Yeah, we have
do we have a
chromatin.
DNA?
No, we have chromatin.
Okay. And the second doubt was that at the last of the whole diagram, it's like a X and it shows like chromosomes.
That is chromosome. Chromosome means like when a cell has to divide, the chromatin get condensed to form chromosome.
So, ma'am, it becomes into its okay, understood, ma'am. Sorry. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes, Abhinav.
Ma'am, that histones have been coiled by the DNA. If the histones have been not coiled, they are in the free state.
If the DNA has not been coiled, DNA is coiling on the histone.
Ma'am, if they do not coil it, the shape will be different, or it will be like a group.
No, like then it will not be able to accommodate it inside the cell.
Ma'am, where you have written the histones, there why didn't it take it? And
No, bacha, the histone here, it is just to show you guys.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I think your doubts are clear. So here are a few points written. You just go through with these points. The first point is the nuclear envelope is one of the aspects that distinguish eukaryotic cell from prokaryotic cell. Obviously, eukaryotic cell को prokaryotic cell से कौन अलग करता है? कौन अलग करता है? एक membrane. Next. If we talk about nucleus, कितनी membrane है? There are double membrane. It is a double layered structure. The outer membrane and the inner membrane. In both the membrane, there is a thin space. That space is known as perinuclear space. You can see at some points the the layers, the membranes get fused to form the pores. ठीक है, the nuclear pores. The jelly-like substance present inside the nucleus is known as nucleoplasm. If we talk about the nucleolus, it is dark colored structure with no membrane. And what is its role? Its role is transcription, that is the formation of RNA from DNA. And what is chromatin? Chromatin is a thread-like structure which is made up of DNA plus histone protein. I think this part is clear to everyone. Yes, Abhinav, wait. Ask your doubt.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of bilayer?
दो लेयर बच्चा, दो लेयर है ना, आउटर और इनर.
Ma'am, what is the lipid?
लिपिड हमने पढ़ा था ना, लिपिड फैट के लिए बोला गया है, फैट की लेयर है.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the meaning of BW, BTWN?
Between.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Everything is there in your module. Just read it, just go through it once. If you have doubt, then you can ask. Any doubt, Mayank?
Ma'am, is there any name other than protein?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can you say me the other name of protein?
There are various proteins, but all the enzymes are proteins.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Abhinav.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of karyoplasm?
But it is just the another name of nucleoplasm.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of nucleus sap?
Same.
Okay, ma'am.
So just go through with this one. Once everything is there in your module, just thoda sa, there may be some language difference over there. Just you have to remember what is nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and everything. Okay, we'll move on to the second cell organelle, that is ribosome. We'll move on to the we'll move on to the another part, that is protoplasm. अभी प्रोटोप्लाज्म क्या होता है हम समझते हैं. व्हाट इज प्रोटोप्लाज्म? जस्ट सी हियर. अभी हम एक प्रोकार्योटिक सेल बनाते हैं. यू गाइस जस्ट मैसेज में इसमें कौन सा प्रोकार्योटिक है और कौन सा यूकार्योटिक है. वेट अ मिनट. This is A. This is B. Which one is prokaryotic? A or B? Why Medha and Shreyans? Why B is prokaryotic? As you can see here, the genetic material is not surrounded. So A is prokaryotic and B is eukaryotic. So what is protoplasm? Just see here. For eukaryotic cell, protoplasm is cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm or cytoplasm plus nucleus. It is written over here. What is protoplasm? All the living matter in a cell. So it is cytoplasm plus nucleus, or you can also write cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Cytoplasm plus nucleus बोलो या फिर cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm बोलो. So what is protoplasm? Protoplasm is all the living matter in a cell. If I talk it in terms of prokaryotic cell, अगर prokaryotic cell के terms में हम बात करते हैं, if we talk it about in the terms of prokaryotic cell, then protoplasm क्या होगा? Then protoplasm is साइटोप्लाज्म, जस्ट टेल मी मैं क्या लिखूं? साइटोप्लाज्म प्लस, एनी वन ऑफ यू कैन टेल मी? मैसेज मी. वेरी गुड मीत. बच्चा न्यूक्लियस कहाँ से आ गया? प्रोकार्योटिक सेल में न्यूक्लियस कहाँ से आ गया? वेरी गुड सुप्रीति, वेरी गुड दिशिता. नेम दैट जेनेटिक सब्सटेंस मंथन, स्पेसिफाइड इट. वेरी गुड मेधा. No, how can it be cell membrane? No, specify it, Advait. No. Very good, Dhruv. Somil, wrong. There is no nucleoplasm in the prokaryotic cell. Very good, Ronak. Very good, Harshil. The question is that for prokaryotic cell, protoplasm is equals to cytoplasm plus. So I'm writing it here for you. It is cytoplasm plus nucleoid. For prokaryotic cell, it is cytoplasm plus nucleoid. While for eukaryotic cell क्या होगा? Cytoplasm plus protoplasm. Sorry, cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm and cytoplasm plus either nucleus. Both are correct. Is it clear? So all the living matter in a cell is protoplasm. Now you can ask your doubts. Yes, Aryaman.
What's the difference between a nucleon and a nucleus?
Bacha, nucleus is a well-defined structure. ठीक है? In a prokaryotic cell, in this the genetic material, as you can see here, it is surrounded by a membrane. But if we talk about prokaryotic cell, what happened in them? Just the genetic material is present, and we called it as nucleoid.
Nucleoid is a prokaryotic and nucleus is a eukaryotic.
No. Nucleus is present in eukaryotic and nucleoid is present in prokaryotic. Okay. Yes, Abhinav.
Ma'am, there you have the cell in the bracket plasma. Ma'am, the plasma means the cell.
There are different name of cell membrane, na? Plasma membrane, plasma lemma.
Ma'am, another doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in the nucleus, there is a black color thing. Ma'am, inside it, what is the pink color?
Nucleolus को represent किया है.
ठीक है. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. You can ask your doubts if there is any. Yes, Yash.
Miss, in the diagram, nucleus is shown by the dark black color circle. So, miss, the red point in between
nucleolus.
Nucleolus. Miss, so what would be the what we call as Miss, so in the eukaryotic cell, the genetic material is bounded by a membrane. So, miss, what would be the membrane in this diagram?
But it's not just shown. It's like it's just a nucleus like diagram. In the last diagram we have seen it now.
Yes, miss.
Anushka, any doubt?
Miss, what is nucleoid?
Nucleoid, you can see in prokaryotic cell, the genetic material is present as such, which is in the direct contact with the protoplasm. It is called as nucleoid. Yes, Arush?
Miss,
Hmm.
I didn't quite understand how cytoplasm and nucleoid make protoplasm.
Bacha, they are, how does?
Cytoplasm and nucleoid.
Do prokaryotic cell have a membrane bound structure? Do they have nucleus?
I didn't hear.
Do prokaryotic cells have nucleus?
Nucleus, no.
No, they just have nucleoid. They do not have nucleus. It means there is nothing jelly-like substance in them inside the nucleus because they do not have nucleus. Fine.
Yeah.
So what is the protoplasm in them? If we are saying for eukaryotic cell, the protoplasm is nucleoplasm. The protoplasm is cytoplasm plus nucleus. So for prokaryotic cell, there is no nucleus. So what will we say? We say for prokaryotic cell, the protoplasm is cytoplasm plus nucleoid.
Oh, and for eukaryotic?
Nucleus, dear.
Oh, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Yes, Advik. Yes, Advik, any doubt? Arush, any doubt?
No, Miss.
So please put on your hand. Okay, so we are done for the day. Your homework is draw a diagram of the nucleus, and second thing, just try to solve the questions from your module of the questions of the nucleus, related to cell wall, cell membrane, and all these things, the cell theory. Fine. Yeah, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay home. You can leave the chat. You're welcome. Yeah, bye. Yeah, I missed that question, the homework question. We'll discuss it in the last lecture for sure, RBC wala. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. In eukaryotic cell, protoplasm is formed by cytoplasm plus nucleus, as you can see here, or you can also write cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm. The homework is you have to draw a diagram of the nucleus, a well-defined, a well-labeled diagram of the nucleus, and you have to try to solve the questions from the module related to nucleus, related to cell wall, cell membrane, and cell theory. Cell discovery, cell shape, and cell number, all these things. So you can leave the meeting.